God isn't fixing this. A bold message in bold print on the cover of the New York Daily News. The paper's response to the second gun rampage in less than a week, and the deadliest since the 2012 massacre at Sandy Hook Elementary in Connecticut.
We have a pattern now of mass shootings in this country that has no parallel anywhere else in the world.
With President Obama calling for gun control, Democratic presidential candidates took to Twitter. Hillary Clinton writing, "I refuse to accept this as normal. We must take action to stop gun violence now." Her rival, Bernie Sanders, tweeted in part, "This sickening and senseless gun violence must stop." Dr. Ben Carson also using strong language.
Again, another hate crime in San Bernardino. Less than a week ago, we had the shooting in Colorado.
Donald Trump started his Virginia rally with a moment of silence, and other GOP candidates tweeted out messages of thoughts and prayers for the victims and their families. Language that Democratic Senator Chris Murphy seemed to take issue with. A staunch advocate of gun control ever since the Sandy Hook massacre in his home state of Connecticut, he tweeted, "Your thoughts should be about steps to take to stop this carnage. Your prayers should be for forgiveness if you do nothing again." I'm Reed Binion reporting.